Hey, it's Clayton. This will be a video chart on ticker symbol TEUM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we'll talk areas of resistance. So first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. And we say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up here above $3.23. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $3.23, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could somehow manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all of this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes on, that line there is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full strength. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 323 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above 323, or excuse me, that purple line, then the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance going forward? Initial level, nothing fancy behind it other than the fact of this is just simply where the party stopped today, right up there at 335. But in the event the price can push through 335, actually that makes good sense why the price is struggling up around here. Why do I say that? Well, you look back through the history of things, you can see rejected in this general area, rejected, and then once again rejected. So while I'm not saying that 335 can't be broken, I'm just saying that apparently according to the story of the chart, apparently the price is really going to need to bring its A game to get up through that level. If 335 can be broken, the next key area of resistance up there around the 343 mark. But all in all, anyway, look at it. Great movement today, great volume. Now it's just a question of can the price build upon this momentum going forward? We will see. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.